Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to quickly show you how I personalize, jars and things around the house. Here I've already cut out the sayings I want to add to the bottles. So I'm just quickly cutting it out. I have two bottles I'm going to personalize today. One of them is a hand sanitizer bottle. It's really fun because it's an automatic one. And then the second one is a hand lotion one that we have in our kitchen. Okay, and this is where I went ahead and weeded out all the portions that I did not want. So, and then of course things get smooth, so the neat thing is you could always remove it and move it around. I'm weeding out the second one right here now. And I'll go ahead and link down below what vinyl I used. It's a very good one that I found on Amazon. And here I lost the dots on top of the eyes, so I went ahead and just cut out whatever I had and put it back on. Weed out everything that you don't need. There you go. So here, this is where I'm using the transfer tape by Cricut. Go ahead and cut out the size you want and peel it off and stick it on top of that. And here I'm just going to make sure that it's attached to the transfer tape. Putting pressure on there. Cutting out the second one right now. Just peeling that and carefully put it over that piece. Alright, and then cutting out the excess. Go ahead and take out the bottles you want to personalize. And what we're going to do is take a cloth and some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and we're just going to clean the surface of where we're going to put the vinyl. And of course let it dry for a minute here. It's very important to don't skip this step because you don't want any dust or fingerprints or anything on there. Maybe your vinyl won't stay. But go ahead and carefully put on that transfer tape right there with the letters. Of course I'm just making sure that everything sticks to the bottle. And then very carefully just go ahead and peel it off. And if some things don't come off, just play with it a little bit. Like right here, I think the dot on top of the eye won't come off. Go ahead and just play with it a little bit, like what I'm doing here. There you go. And voila, that's very nice. I've already made two bottles for my bathroom. I have a hand lotion and hand soap bottles. I'll show you here in a second. Whoever that comes over to my house, they always ask me about the bottles. They really like how it's, specify what those are. Especially something like this, hand sanitizer. It's like an everyday item these days. Some people who come over, they wouldn't know what this is, so that's why it's nice to go ahead and just put on there, specifying what it is. Here I kind of messed up. I didn't realize that part of the D came off, the tail end of it at least, and this is where I'm just kind of playing with it again. If you mess up, you can always make another one, cut out another one and redo it, but here I'm just going to salvage it by just, putting the piece, and it still looks good. See, and then part of the Z, I kind of messed up right there too, so I'm re-adding it back. There you go. And then of course this little tail part, I'm just fixing it right now. Okay, good as new, right? But isn't this so adorable? I love it. I'll link all of these below as well. This hand sanitizer automatic thing, I'll link it to you for you guys down below. I found it on Amazon. It's so convenient. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll try my best to answer. But here are the bottles. Thank you and have a blessed day, everyone.